Hello again, folks. I've just realised I've not actually done a video for Georgia Jim on his 1,000 subs giveaway. It's closing tomorrow on the 15th, so I thought I'd better pull my finger out and throw an entry in to support this guy. Congratulations, Jim, on the subs. That's a huge milestone, and to be fair, you massively deserve it. I mean, your picking skills are legendary. This guy is always there for new pickers. He can pick pretty much anything you throw at him. A few of us collaborated and made the 7 Deadly Sins, which are currently touring America. And this guy was the first one to pick all of them, and he just went through them like it was child's play, which is really, really amazing. I mean, it's just nothing short of impressive when I watch this guy. So, with that said, I would like to pick this Abus 7640, I believe. Yes, 7640. Yeah, 7640. So this was kindly sent to me by another legend, J. Gabriel. It's got 8 pins. I personally feel like anything less than 8 pins isn't really good enough for me. I need to do at least 8 pins just to pay my respects to this guy, because that's how good he is. So I'm going to use this Chris Capoon style tensioner in this Abus keyway. There's a keyway. So that fits quite nicely in there. I have picked this one before on my channel a while ago. I can't remember which video it was at the moment. Can't even get the tensioner in now. Helps if you can see. So that goes in there. Right. So I'm going to use that Chris Capoon style tensioner. I have a wiper insert and this medium Sparrows SS Dev hook. So we'll see what we can do. So yeah, if you don't know who he is already, A, you probably live under a rock, and B, go and check him out. It's certainly worth going and checking out. He's just started doing a series to help new pickers as well, help them get better, and well, that's just the kind of guy he is. So anyway, I'm going to stop talking a minute because I'm going to need to think about this. There's 8 pins, they're all pretty close together, so I am going to just concentrate for a moment, folks, if you'll bear with me, so I can do this for him, and let's hope it gets there in time, eh? Right, anyway, just a quiet moment. You'll have to sing to yourselves or something for a moment. This is full of spools, by the way. My favourite security pin, because it just gives you loads of counter rotation after counter rotation. So, makes picking it very animated. He says. Oh, drop some more pins. A bit more. Full sets galore on this. It's certainly a great lock. And yeah, thank you again, Jay, for sending me this way. Sending this my way, sorry. It's getting late here. Over in the UK. Yeah, and if nobody's if you haven't picked one of these, definitely go out and see if you can get one. They are great fun. Great fun to pick. Pretty good feedback. Well, on this lock anyway, we all know all locks aren't created equal. You could buy two of the same model, one you'll open and one you'll not quite often. Well, unless you gym, that is. In which case, you can open anything. Right, anyway. I feel like we're nearly there. Where is it? Let's just have a little poke about. Oh, right. Looks like we're starting that one again. Don't we all love it when that happens? Okay. Right, now let's proper focus. Probably do with some elevator music in the background, eh? Yeah, oh, and that's the other thing as well. It makes it look so easy. Easier than I'm making it look. Where is it? At the back. Right at the back. There we go. So there we go, Jim. That's for you, my friend. Congratulations again. And well done on slaying the sins. 7 deadly sins. There's nothing short of impressive. Yeah, that's it. Like I say, go and check them out. Good luck to anybody who enters. And thanks ever so much for the giveaway fun, Jim. Until next time, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.